It's amazing. Look at those sundogs. It's like -30 right now. This is why they call it the land of the living skies here in Saskatchewan. Well, good afternoon, everyone. It is January 18th, 2024, and we're here again on the edge of the Boreal Forest. It is brisk and cold with a little bit of a wind today, and as you can see, my cheeks are rosy red, but that is not from the chill outside. I have been busy baking up some chocolate chip cookies, and I've made a new video, so if you're interested in seeing it, I will post a link down in the description box below for you to check out. So after Papa gets home today, actually even before, I have wanted to go out and try starting my snowmobile, my sled. I know that we'd been having trouble with the battery, so Papa had put the charger on it, and he had told me that it would be ready to go if I wanted to try it today. So I'm at least gonna go and try and start it and see if it's gonna work. So hopefully I can get my sled started. If not, then I might have to wait for Papa when he comes home. And maybe we'll get to go for a bit of a sled ride. It'll be the first time this winter. We are getting a little bit more snow, as you can see. We had a little bit of snowfall last night, so we're getting there. We're getting to the point where there's enough snow to be able to sled. We really do enjoy it. There have been many family outings that we have went sledding, and I actually just wanted to show you one of those experiences that we had last year with the family. We have a lot of brand new sledders in the family. They're young and they need direction and attention and a lot of teaching, so they are included in this video, and we just had a really great day, and it's one that I will remember for the rest of my life. So I will let you take a look at that and enjoy, and I'm gonna go see if I can start my sled. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Yeah. Good one. Monique wiping out.
Oh. Get a video of that.
Yeah. What's your snowman's name?
Fred.
It's Fred.
Fred. Yes, Fred is.
You gotta make it, it's his wife. You gotta make Wilma.
Oh no.
Oh no. Good job, girls.
We gotta make a good one.
Good job, Elise. Good job. She's pretty windy today. All right, so this is my sled. It's, I think it's an either a 2007 or 2008 Yamaha Attack. I've had it for quite some time. It's been through a few knocks and bumps here and there. But she's been a really good sled to me. I really enjoy driving her. So, I don't know, Papa had said that, oh yes, yep, the side panel's off. That's probably where he had the battery charger. But you know, we're gonna try and start her up anyways. That went better than what I expected. Well, we've got a yellow warning sign, so we'll turn it off in a bit and we'll see what Papa has to say. Hopefully it's nothing. So the light never did go off, the warning light, so we'll have to just wait and see what Papa says. So apparently the yellow light was just my sled was out of gas. That's it. So we're gonna go for a little drive. beautiful plan.